Hello, it's DanceCoFX right here. I want to show you how our group got almost 700 pips of sell by the end of the week of the year. Is how it went through. You identify the closing zone or the closing of that particular week, and then this red lines just to mark where it started. That's a weekly time frame. Then go to 1 hour time frame. Time frame right here. Next, identify the break of this order, the block. That's where your zone for selling. And you go to 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame. You change into line chart. You identify these support zones. These ones. These support zones. These ones or these ones. If the price breaks these support zones, then become resistance. That shows the price showing the price is likely to go down or to sell. So you mark this zone, the farthest, this zone, and wait for a retest. That's why you place your mark. That's where you place now your sell. Let's give it 100 pips. Then you wait for this dump till some can collect from here or wait on a higher time from here. Right here. This previous. See. And subscribe. I'll show you more entry zones on weekly, daily, 4-hour time frame, and even monthly. Kindly subscribe and urge your friends also to subscribe. Bye.